Hello guys, here we are at the Devon Truck Show with Rob from the Welsh drones, and let us introduce you to our company where we do truck related, van related, commercial vehicle related stuff. We are here with the Pimped Truck and TFC where we can customize your interior of a trucks, vans, or even a car if you have. We can do seat covers, floor mats, curtains, a lot more stuff. So if you're looking for anything for your truck or for your company, please give us a shout. Pimped Truck and TFC, TF Chemtex company. And thank you very much. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and also we got some videos on YouTube channels as well. So please follow us, please share, and if you need any stuff, please give us a shout.
Yeah.